and welcome to Inkabi Forex Trading Academy. Here you're going to learn to master price action like Inkabi. In this course, sizokufundisa Forex from the start to the finish. So what I mean by that, sizofundisa Forex from a complete beginner to an advanced level. So most of the advanced levels of futhi guide till we're profitable trader. Yeah. So the most important thing as a trader, we understand the basics. Firstly, you need to understand the basics. So in this video, we're going to cover the basics, right? So what is Forex? Forex is trading one currency for another. Forex trading is when people buy and sell currencies with the aim to make money on the difference between the two currencies exchange rates, right? So omunye umuntu mhlawumbe ukebuka ukuthi okay kukhona into ekuthiwa i-GBP USD i-USD za. So mayebuka ukuthi i-dollar compared to i-rand lihlezi lintengantenga, right? So kuthola ukuthi i-dollar elilodwa libiza u-14.50 thola kwesinye isikhathi i-dollar selibiza u-15 rand, yeah. So those changes, that's how ama-traders enza imali khona, enza imali through those changes. Yeah, but at the moment, price is changing from 14 to 15. That's when ama-traders ekhona ukwenza imali khona, right? How do traders really make money? Yeah, so traders buy a currency pair at a lower price and sell it at a higher price, and their income is the difference between the buy and the sell price, right? So unenza izinto zethu ukubaludlana ngizonikombisa nje on a whiteboard ukuthi what I mean by this, right? So the law of supply and demand is what drives this thing we see in kanjani, right? At high prices, the demand is less, causing the prices to drop, right? When the prices have risen too much, yeah. So then at the time, no one is willing to buy the thing, yeah. So let's say nje ngakini ku-shop yangakini kukhona isitolo esibiza izinkwa u-15 rand, right? Kwesinye isitolo kubiza izinkwa zakhona zibiza u-25 rand. So ubani uzokhona ukuthi ethenge izinkwa zika-25 rand? Akekho vele angithi. So then isela yalapho kuzomele ama-prices akhona ewa-drophise because their prices are too high. So no one is willing to buy their products, right? So alternatively, at lower prices, the demand is high, causing the prices to rise. Okay, let's say mina izinkwa zami ngidayisa 10 rand, khona omunye udayisa 15 rand, bese khona omunye udayisa 25 rand. So mangabe i-price yami isilow kakhulu, ngizogcina ngiba nami ne-pressure. So then kugcina kungiphoqa ukuthi no, manje i-demand isinkulu kakhulu, so sekumele nami i-price yami ngiyikhuphule. But mangiyikhuphula angimele-ke nami ngigcina ngilimaza ama-customer ami ukuthi gcine ngibalekele, but ngikhuphula i-price ngendlela ukuthi ngikhona nami ukuthi ngingalimali, right? So kuba into kanjalo. So in Forex isebenza ngendlela eseyifanele. So there's a graph for Forex, right? So you see we have a price on the vertical axis, and then a time on the x-axis, right? On the horizontal axis, yeah, we have those two things, yeah. So in this case, I used these two currencies. We have EUSD ZAR, right? What this means, it means the USD is the base currency and the ZAR is the cost currency. So into engiqonde ngalokho is that this shows ukuthi $1 is equal to, right, the dollar sign, right, yeah. $1 equals to the different values of the rands that I'm gonna display. Yeah. So $1 is equal to these values that I'm gonna be showing you. Yeah. So the fluctuation is gonna be on that one, right? So okay, so with Forex you could find something like ubone graph nje engayazi nawe singathini yabo ukuthi ichaza ukuthini. So to make it yeah, to make you understand what's really going on. So with Forex you could find into kanje, maybe a graphic color somewhere around here. Okay, it's like been dropping and then moving in this type of way, right? Okay, and then suddenly it does this, right? Okay, and then once it has done this, you ask yourself, what will it do next? Yeah, so you have that question in your mind, what is price gonna do next? So in that case, as someone a beginner, you wouldn't know what to do, but like from understanding what I just told you here, at higher prices the demand is less, then it causes prices to drop. So at lower prices the demand is high, causing the prices to increase, right? So mawubuka leli chart leli, it's evident ukuthi the prices will have been dropping for quite some time. So then it's likely for prices to increase because they've dropped. Yeah. So then you decide to take a buy over here and then take it all the way to the upside, right? Yeah. So that's how it works, like with Forex. So then let's say you're at this price. Yeah, you're at this price. So what this means is, right, it's at the price that is equal to 14.57. So this means $1 equals to 14.57, right? Okay, I'm not quick with the annotations here. Yeah, so this is what it means. Yeah, $1 is equal to 14.57. So it's like this graph represents the value of a dollar, like throughout. Yeah, so with time the dollar price changes. Yeah, so $1 is equal to 14.57. $1 is equal to 15.23. $1 is equal to 14.24. Yeah, so it's like those changes, yeah, with time. Yeah, so I think you may have understood something from that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna continue with my stuff here. All right. All right, so it's simple as that, but before you can make money, you have to develop a skill of understanding price action by adopting the trading strategies from trustworthy trading institutions.